आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this is a question. Let me explain to you. Assign reasons for the following. The first part is saying that sulfur vapor is paramagnetic. So we need to understand that if we are talking about the vapor state, then in vapor state, sulfur exists partly as S2, not as S8 molecule. It exists as S2. Now this will be having two unpaired electrons in the anti-bonding orbitals. Okay, in anti-bonding orbitals, just like O2, right? And hence it will be exhibiting the paramagnetism, right? So this explains the first part. Second is saying that ammonia has greater affinity for protons than phosphine. Why it happens? So talking about the second part, then we need to understand that when ammonia accepts a protein, there is the lone pair of electron on nitrogen. So what happens? There is the formation of ammonium ion. Similarly, when phosphine is accepting it, there is again the formation of pH4 positive. So what is happening here? There is an additional NH or pH bond that is being formed. An extra NH bond is formed here, extra pH bond is formed here, right? So we know that due to the bigger size of phosphorus is having a big size because number of shells are more, right, than nitrogen. So because of this, pH bond is weaker. pH bond is weaker as compared to the NH. So as a result of which pH3 has less tendency to accept the proton as compared to NH3. Okay, so this answers the second part. Third part is saying of the gases, only xenon is known to form the well-established chemical compound. So we have always heard and we often say that noble gases are inert in nature, they do not make compound, but this doesn't happen with the xenon, right? So if we talk about, we are not including radon here because radon is a radioactive element anyhow, right? The half-life is very less. But if we talk about xenon is having least ionization energy. We are again ignoring radon because of radioactivity. So apart from that, xenon is known to have least ionization energy among all the noble gases. So because of this, it readily forms chemical compounds. Okay, and this forms chemical compounds with the elements like oxygen and fluorine only. Okay, so we have often seen its compounds of xenon existing as XeF6, XeO2, XeF4, etc. etc. Okay, thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।